And the American Music Award goes to, oh, thank God, here we go. Machine Gun Kelly!
Thank you to the fans who got me here, and I love you. I just want to say I'm petitioning for larger mic stands next time. This suit is really uncomfortable to pee in. Speaking of uncomfortable, there have been some people in the rock community who called me a tourist, but they're wrong. I'm a rocket man. We weren't born on the moon, but we looked at it and we were curious, and then we went there, supposedly. And these last two rock albums, to me, were me going to the moon. But I'm not done exploring the universe yet, and I am all genres. I'll see you